A very good morning to all class 9 students. Students, I started a chapter that was the second chapter, Physical Features of India. But I came to know that that chapter has already been completed. And so from today onwards, I'll be starting with a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Climate. Chapter number 4, that is Climate. It is also an important chapter for you all because uh, there are number of questions that will come from this chapter when I'll set the paper, and it is also a chapter that is quite important for any person who studies geography. So beginning the chapter, let's first check out the difference between weather and climate. Normally we talk about weather is hot, weather is dry, weather is rainy, and climate is cold, climate is hot. Okay, so let's talk about how these weather and climate are associated and how these weather and climate are different. First of all, weather and climate normally are taken as together terms or parallel terms or complementary terms. बहुत डिफरेंस होता है इनमें, but when it comes to talking of normal people, we take that weather or climate both are quite same. We think that both are quite same. So let's check out what is the basic difference between weather and climate. So weather deals with the atmospheric condition of a place over a short period of time. ठीक है, हम वेदर की जब बात करते हैं तो हम कोई भी प्रेडिक्शन या कोई भी चीज़ करते हैं वो शॉर्ट स्पैन के लिए होती है. और व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लाइमेट वी टॉक अबाउट लार्जर टाइम, greater time, more time. Likewise, if I clarify, weather could be for 1 day, 2 day, but climate could be for 2-3 months. Okay, the weather may be hot in the morning and very pleasant and cold in the evening, but the climate will remain cold like of Nainital. So weather when we talk about a shorter period of time, and climate when we talk about for a longer period of time. This is the first and basic difference between weather and climate. Second, weather is always changing. It keeps on changing from time to time, hour to hour. As I have told you, it may be hot in the afternoon and cold in the evening. But it is not the case with climate. Climate, when we talk about, we generally talk about that the thing has remained for at least 15 days, 30 days, 2 months, 3 months. ठीक है? Climate always changes at a slow pace. Weather changes very fast. Climate changes at a slow pace. Weather could be rainy, could be windy, could be anything like that, but it is not the case with climate. Climate changes at a very slow pace. Third basic difference is that weather refers to a particular place, weather of Rudrapur. Climate refers to a greater area, like climate of Tarai. Okay, weather refers to a small place, maybe I would say Gadarpur, Gular Bhoj, you can take it. But we talk about climate, climate refers to the whole Udham Singh Nagar. ठीक, the climate, when we talk about climate, we talk about a larger area. But when we talk about weather, we talk about a smaller area. So these are three basic differences that we find when we talk about weather and climate. Okay, so first is that weather is changing very fast while the climate changes slow. Weather is for a smaller area, climate is for a larger area. And third, weather is for a shorter period of time and climate is prediction for a longer period of time. Now let's check the factors that affect the climate in India. In India, climate कैसे कैसे चेंज होता है, कौन कौन से रीजंस होते हैं, कौन कौन सी थिंग्स होती हैं दैट अफेक्ट द क्लाइमेट चेंज इन इंडिया. ओके, फर्स्ट इज वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस. फर्स्ट इज टर्म्ड एज वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस. व्हाट आर दीज वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ईस्टर्न मेडिटेरियन रीजन एंड ट्रेवल ईस्टवर्ड अक्रॉस ईरान पाकिस्तान. वेस्ट साइड ऑफ इंडिया से जो वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस है, जो पाकिस्तान ईरान इस साइड से आ रहा है, ये जो विंड्स हैं, ये जो वो हैं, दीज गिव रेन टू द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, स्पेशली हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड पंजाब. हिमाचल प्रदेश और पंजाब को कहाँ से पानी मिलता है, कहाँ से रेनफॉल होती है? जो वेस्टर्न विंड्स आती हैं, वेस्टर्न विंड्स दे कम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, ईरान, वेस्टर्न मेडिटेरियन, ठीक है, मेडिटेरियन के इलाके से जो आती हैं. तो वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज. जैसे ही वहाँ पानी बरसता है हिमाचल और पंजाब में, वहाँ पे मौसम ठंडा हो जाता है, तो क्लाइमेट कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट होता है वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस से. कौन से इलाके में? स्पेशली इन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट, एंड दैट इज नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट, दैट इज हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड पंजाब. ठीक. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द चेंज इज दैट द प्रेशर. The pressure conditions exerted by surrounding countries like East Africa, Central Asia, Iran, the climatic conditions of India changes according to the heavy monsoons and the dry seasons. They are also controlled by the pressure, the atmospheric pressure that is created by the countries like East Africa, Iran, Central Asia and these. यहाँ से यहाँ पे मतलब सेंट्रल एशिया, ईरान एंड ईस्ट अफ्रीका के विंड से, ईस्ट अफ्रीका के डिस्टर्बेंसेस से भी हमारे यहाँ एक एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है. एंड दिस एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ड्राई सीजन्स एज वेल एज रेनी सीजन्स. ओके, you are not told to go in detail, you just have to mention the names of the factors that affect the climate in India. So first factor that affects the climate in India is western disturbances, and the second factor that affects is pressure. ठीक. Now let's talk about the third affecting factor, or the third factor that affects the climate of India to a great extent, and that is winds. Winds do affect the factor or the climate in India and affect to a greater extent. Winds, especially typhoons and air currents and monsoons, also have a great bearing on the climate of India. Typhoons, monsoons जो भी है, ये winds हैं, air currents, ये हर हवा से ही बनता है. तेज हवाएं, पश्चिमी हवाएं, कई तरीके की हवाएं हम कहते हैं, उनसे हमारे ऊपर अब ये हवाएं चल रही है तो पानी बरसेगा. इस तरीके की हवाएं आती हैं तो बादल आ जाता है, फिर पानी ले आता है. तो यानी कि the different winds blowing from different directions, they are also responsible for the change in climate in India. The monsoon winds also play a dominant role in the climate of India. Though temperature and rainfall conditions vary in subcontinent, but the monsoonal circulation acts as a great unifying factor. Monsoon winds बहुत important play करती हैं. भाई पानी नहीं बरसेगा तो कोई काम नहीं होगा. पानी बरसने से ही तो हम कहते हैं मौसम ठंडा हो गया है. अब हम ठंड का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. कैसे आएगी? जब किसी दिन पानी बरसेगा तभी तो ये मेरी हाफ शर्ट फुल शर्ट में चेंज होगी या स्वेटर आएगा. ठंड कैसे आएगी? तो monsoonal winds, they create a lot of change in the climate of India. Thus, winds play a very crucial role in India as a factor of affecting climate in India. We stop over here. There are 3-4 more factors that affect. We'll be discussing them in the videos to come. And students, I just request you that there is a lot of chance that school is going to reopen after 15th, but still let's see what happens. We are hoping for the best, but I want to check your copies and all, and I request that students at least 10 copies should come daily to schools. From schools I'll be collecting those copies and I'll check them. So please, मैं मेंटेन कर रहा हूँ, मुझे इंटरनल असेसमेंट के नंबर देने हैं, सब्जेक्ट इनरिचमेंट के, बिना कॉपी देखे मैं नहीं दूंगा. तो प्लीज़ कॉपीज़ आप भिजवा दें या थोड़ी देर के लिए 5 मिनट के लिए खुद आ जाएं, दे जाएं, जैसे भी कोऑर्डिनेट मेरे से कर लें, एक बार कॉपियाँ मेरे को दिखाएं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. विल कंटिन्यू द वीडियो टुमारो.